In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a first name section in Mailerlite Embedded Forms subscriber form. We're going to walk through this step by step, so by the end, your form will collect both an email address and a first name, which is really useful if you want to personalize your emails later on. First, open your Mailerlite dashboard and head to the Forms area. Once you're there, look for the section specifically labeled Embedded Forms. This is where all of your embeddable forms are listed. Find the form you want to update, then click the Edit option next to that form. This will open up the form editor where you can see a preview of what your subscribers see. Inside the editor, you'll notice your current fields, like the email field, displayed in the form preview. To access the field settings, click directly on the existing email field block in that preview. As soon as you click it, you'll see the settings open up in the right-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where you control what fields appear, how they're labeled, and how they behave. Now that you're in the Settings panel, look for the option to add a new field. You should see a button labeled Add Field. Go ahead and click that. This tells Mailerlite you want to collect more information from your subscribers in addition to their email address. After you click Add Field, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of available fields you can add to your form. From this drop-down, select the default name field. In Mailerlite, this name field is typically used to store first names, and it works perfectly for basic personalization, like using someone's first name in the subject line or greeting of an email. Once you've selected the name field, you should see it appear in the form preview, usually above or below the email field. Take a quick moment to confirm that it looks right and that the label makes sense for your audience. If needed, you can adjust the label text in the sidebar so subscribers clearly understand what to type in. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. Click the Next or Save button in the editor to apply your updates to the form. Make sure you complete this step so the first name field is actually live on your embedded form. And that's it. Your Mailerlite embedded form now collects first names along with email addresses, giving you more options for personalized and engaging email campaigns.